Welcome to Home Academy Brain Test 2. We know 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. This is a simple calculation. In this video, I am going to solve a interesting quiz. Like, look, here is 3 balls. 3 balls equals to 18. That means we can say all the ball number is same, so we can say 6 plus 6 plus 6, it means 18. So each ball is a 6 6 6. This is very simple. Here is 3 watch equals to 9, so we can say 3 plus 3 plus 3 is a 9, no problem. Next, here is 3 fan. Once we multiply 2 fan and once we out one fan from this multiplication, we will get 6. So how? Look, 3 fan. Next, here is 3 fan, but 2 fan we multiply, and after multiplication we will subtract 1 fan and the result is 6. So we can consider like 3 times 3 minus 3. Look, 3 times 3 is a 9, minus 3 is a 6. So up to this is a very simple thing. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 9. So this 9, 18, this 9 and this 6 we can easily find out. But how about this line? Here is a watch, here is a football, and here is a fan. But here is some problem. This fan has one blade. Look, here is 1, 2 and 3 blade. 1, 2, 3. Similar 1, 2, 3. So each fan one blade, it means 3 blade means 3, right? So we can say this one is 1. Okay. Now this football and this football is not looking similar. How? Look, this football has combination 2 color, one is black, another one is white. Now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 black spot each football. That means we consider black equals to 6 because here is 6 black spot. Similar, the watch, here is time is 3. So we consider this is 3, and blade also 3. So 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 minus 3 is a 6. Therefore we can say this watch mention 2. So we can write 2 times this ball has 3 black spot. So we consider this is 3. Minus this fan has 1 blade, so we consider this one is 1. So finally we get 2 times 3 is a 6, minus 1 equals to 5. I hope this is a correct answer. But if you think this answer is wrong, it doesn't matter. Maybe I am wrong, but if you get a good answer with good logic, please write a line in the comments box. So my answer is 5. What do your answer? Okay, so let's find out the result and let me know am I correct or not. Thank you very much. This is Home Academy. Here I am trying to solve lots of academic math, competition math, job math, and also lots of IQ based math. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends if you think this channel is helping you. Thank you.